students, welcome back to the class. We have started our 4A, Tenali Paints Horse. We have completed half of our lesson. We have finished up to page number 58 now, page number 59 students. So just let me give a quick recap of the lesson which I have completed. So Tenali Ramakrishna Kavi, he used to meet an artist in the court of Vijayanagara. Before all the courtiers, he used to challenge himself that I can do a better painting which was drawn by an artist. Even I can draw better than him, because he has started blaming an artist in such a way that you have drawn only one side of the shade of the painting which you have seen. Where is the other shade? Then King of Vijayanagara, Krishnadevara, will say that how can anybody draw like that, Tenali? It can't be drawn. Just it is an imagination. We have to feel, we have to imagine. Only what he had drawn we have to see, and the remaining part we have to imagine. So, what words were mentioned by the Raja, the king, he had catched those words. He caught those words, and now he will act according to it. When he had said strongly that I can draw better than him if I had paintings, then King of Vijayanagara, Krishnadevara, says that okay, I am giving you 1 month time. 1 month time, take 1 month time, and no need to come to the court. Just be at home and draw a better painting which was drawn by this artist. Then I will give you 1 bag full of gold which I offered to the artist. Then by receiving the challenge, now what Tenali will do we have to see. Okay, let's see what play he will play here and what humor he will apply here. Raja, I bet a bag of gold that you can't. I will give you the paints and the paper. You may also take leave from the court for a month. If at the end of the month you bring me a painting that is half as good as the one we saw today, I promise you a bag of gold and the title King of Artist. So he said, you are saying that exactly like an artist and better than him you will draw. No need of it. At least half what an artist has done. In that half, if you have shown me, even I will agree, and I will give you a title called King of Artist. King of Artist. And what I had offered him, a bag full of gold I had offered him now, and I will give you the same. I will give you the same. He used to say it openly. Okay? What is wrong in that? He has not done anything now. Everything is very clear. So now it's the right time that, and also he had offered him paintings and papers. Even no need to buy, and I am giving you 1 month leave to the court. 1 month leave. See how many offers he has given. 1 month leave to the court, and paintings and papers, and also 1 bag full of gold, and a title called King of Artist. Even he has to prove better than that person as an artist who has come, he had to draw. That's what. Tenali, I agree. After a month, I'll show you a better painting than one. So now what he has drawn, better than that, I will show you a very better painting he had told. The courtiers start smiling, thinking that he would lose the bet. They know Tenali Raman can't paint at all. Tenali looks at the giggling courtiers angrily and walks out. So the courtiers, they know it well. And Tenali Ramakrishna Kavi is a poet, but not an artist. So how can he art? Even he did not paint any time. So now he has to draw something. How can he do that? He can't. So now it is a time to think of first courtier. You have really caught him out. So he thinks he is the smartest person in the world. So the other courtiers, they will have a lot of jealous on Tenali Ramakrishna Kavi, because he is the person who was very close to the king Krishnadevara. Even Krishnadevara also, he has shown a lot of concern towards Tenali Ramakrishna Kavi. He has shown a lot of keenness, because Tenali Ramakrishna Kavi's even humor will be very sensible and also very straighted. So that's why Krishnadevara likes Tenali Ramakrishna Kavi. But the other courtiers feel jealous. So immediately they said, sir, you had started a bet with Tenali, but he will lose in that. He will think that he is the smartest person in the world. In the world only he was the smartest person he feels. Second courtier, he has really painted himself into a corner. I would like to see him get out of that one. So now he had bet now and he has really painted himself into a corner. Let's see what he had done. Raja, I would not be too certain of that. He is really very clever. But Raja is saying it. I don't believe all these things, but I will believe one thing. Tenali Ramakrishna Kavi is very clever. He is very clever. He is very smart. In doing of it, he may convince the persons with his words. That's what the magic with Tenali. A month is over. The courtiers are seen to be entered to scene 2. The courtiers are waiting eagerly for Tenali to bring in his painting. They are smiling and whispering to each other. So now they are waiting for the painting of Tenali Ramakrishna Kavi, which he has drawn. Okay, they were waiting. Everybody were laughing. The courtiers were laughing. Raja, so what do we do today? So they are waiting the day. First courtier, sir, the day has arrived when Tenali Raman shows you his painting. Raja, where is he? It's late and almost time for my lunch. Second courtier, perhaps he is so busy with his painting that he has lost track of the days. Third courtier, perhaps his painting is so good that he can't bear to part with it. Raja, well, I can't wait anymore. Somebody should go to his house and tell him that he has lost his bed and the bag of gold. Fourth courtier, it's not only fair that if he does not make good his boast, he should pay a penalty. I feel he should pay the court a bag of gold. First courtier, indeed, yes, I agree. So that he should. Third, there is. He seems to have brought it, but it covered with cloth. So they started conversing. The first courtier has said that, sir, I think by continuously busy in drawing the painting, Tenali has forgotten the day which he has to draw the painting. And the second courtier had told, sir, I think Tenali Ramakrishna Kavi has not yet drawn. And third courtier is saying that I think he is going to come. Let's wait for him. But the king has said, I am waiting late for my lunch. When he used to come, just go to his home and tell him to bring his painting. When they were discussing like that, everybody, they have blaming Tenali Rama for his ability, which he can't prove in the court. They started laughing that, what if he had unable to get the painting, comparing to artist which he has drawn, if he did not bring that, he has to pay the penalty, a bag full of gold, to the court. So they started raising an abuse to Tenali, because if he did not draw better than the artist, he has to pay penalty. So everybody, they're conversing, different comments are coming about Tenali in the court. They were discussing like that Tenali has brought his painting by covering the painting with a cloth. He has covered it with a cloth and he brought the painting. Tenali comes with two men carrying a painting covered with a sheet of cloth. When Tenali gestures, the men lifted the cloth to display an empty canvas. The painting has only a few curved strokes of black on the right hand edge and a few green lines at the bottom below it. Tenali, good afternoon, sir. What a beautiful horse I have drawn. It's a magnificent black stallion with a white star at its forehead. Look at the polished leather saddle on it. I wonder if I should have the reins trailed like that. Raja, what's this? I can't see a horse. This is a very insulting. You are trying to make me a fool of me. There is nothing on this canvas. So, canvas in the sense a sheet of paper, a board to draw a painting we will use. No, that's called canvas. So, he started saying it. He started the explanation of his painting in such a way that, sir, I have, see the beautiful horse I have drawn. It's a magnificent black stallion. Stallion in the sense a male horse. A male horse. A very beautiful male horse, you know, with the white star on its forehead and polished leather saddle and also reins trailed like tail like them. So, he started expressing in a very good way, but there is nothing on the canvas. He is explaining it. That picture was not there on the canvas. See, he has shown here. There is nothing on the canvas. What's this? Well, you are the one who told me we had to use our imagination. When we look at the paintings, imagine that the rest of the horse is just outside the canvas grazing some lush green grass. Look, you can see the edge of its tail in the corner. So what he had drawn, he had taken a sheet of it. For example, this is the sheet. He had drawn only the tail, and the remaining part he had left empty. So then, when the king has said, hey, what you are saying is, there is only the tail of the horse. Where is that horse? Your stallion is there. Even saddle is there. You are telling that everything is over there. But where is it all? Then you only said, no, sir. Just imagine. Put your imagination, you said. I put my imagination. Just you see the tail and the remaining part you imagine. Same words of the king he had given back to him. That's all. What the king had told, see, Tenali, we can't draw everything on the canvas. The remaining part we have to imagine, he said. Right? Then what Tenali has done, he had drawn only the tail and he told the courtiers and the king to imagine the remaining part. He has done the same, no? What he has said. Then, for that, you old rascal, you have got the better of me. Minister, where is that bag of gold? Give it to Tenali Raman, the cleverest man in my kingdom. And he had scolded the artist who had come and he gave one bag full of gold to Tenali. So here we had come to the end of our lesson. We have ended it. This is the brilliant talent of Mr. Tenali Ramakrishna Kavi. Not only this one lesson. See here what we have done. This is called talent and brilliant quality every person. That's why he is called as jester. Jester, not only a poet, as a poet he will make others to laugh. That's what the humor of Tenali Ramakrishna Kavi. That's what the talent is. So, actually there is one more lesson. I think you have known it well. Tenali Ramakrishna Kavi, one day he went to the king court. So, all the people they were standing in lines. Number of people, all the country, all the people, they were in lines. And everybody, they are taking golden mangoes. They are taking golden mangoes in their hands. 2, 3 they are taking. So he went to the king, Krishna Deva Raya, and asked, sir, why are you offering these many golden mangoes to the people? Then he said, actually, when my mom has died, before her death, she asked for mangoes, Ramakrishna. So that's why on the day of her death, I would like to give golden mangoes to all. So he said, sir, okay, she asked mangoes, then you can give. But I want to give better than this anything, that's why. So, what he has done, even he too lost his mother. He too lost his mother. So, what he too told to all the people, I would like to give something. Even my mom's lost wish I have my lost wish, my mom's lost wish, Even I will also give something. Just come. Then what he had taken 5 stick. She has fits actually. His mother, Tenali's mother, has fits. So on 5 sticks, if you put a crash on the hands, they'll get sense. Right? Now they will get sense, real sense. It will come. If you put the mark over with the stick, with the 5 stick, they will get sense immediately and they will relieve from fits. So his mother asked that. So what he had done, when he told to all the people that even my mother's last wish was that I'll give something, then everybody has come. Then what he had took 5 sticks and he started putting lashes on all the hands of them. It's burning and they're crying and they're shouting and they're going on. Then Krishna Deva Raya called Tenali. What are you doing, Tenali? Sir, your mother asked you mangoes, so you are giving golden mangoes. My mother asked before her death, she has fits. She asked to put a mark with the 5 sticks. So that's why, that is her last wish. So I'm going to do the same. And then Krishna Deva Raya understood his mistake. If you will do like this, you will lose all the wealth, and also you can't, your complete treasure will go out, wipes out. So you should not do such things. So he did not say it directly. He had made a realization. He brought a realization in the king's behavior with his words. He understood it. He brought a change. Okay, like this Tenali. See, in this lesson, Tenali paints a horse in the sense. Really, he had painted. No, he did not paint. He had underlined the words of the king. See his brilliance. What he had told. Where is the other side of the painting? Means what king told. See, Tenali, we can't draw everything on the painting. Only we have to imagine. Then he too did. He only drawn the tail. He told to imagine the other parts. At the side of that, horse is there. It is eating grass. It has a star on its forehead. It had a great saddle. See, everything he started explanation. But that was not at all on the canvas. But he started, imagine that. So what the same words he reflected to the king. He appreciated his brilliance and he gave that bag full of gold to the Tenali. So, humor at any cost will reward. Tenali Ramakrishna Kavi stories and also fun is a very heart-touching, I feel, right? So like this, Tenali Ramakrishna Kavi has created his own identity in the history. In the history of Vijayanagara, not only in the history of Vijayanagara, even he has his own place. We can say that Tenali Ramakrishna Kavi is equal to humor and comedy. We can say that. He was a jester in the sense what? He used to feel that sense of humor directly to reach to the people. He used to show a lot of presence of mind. He used to have a lot of presence of mind. He has presented his mind, attracted all the people. That's what the talent of Tenali. Okay students, I think you have understood this lesson. Here we have come to the end of it, and there are 10 question answers here. In this lesson, question answers in my previous video, I gave you new words and glossary to write. Right now, it is a turn to write question answers from textbook in classroom of 4A. Every time, this is what it is very important to tell you again and again that you should not avoid to write. It is compulsory that you have to write the notes. Don't keep it in pending. Okay? So, and very important is that when you are writing, maintain good handwriting. Handwriting is a very important one which reflects you the way how you will write. So it is very well going on writing, your hand will be free, and this long period of gap, suddenly if you write, of course it takes some time to write. I am not telling you that write everything at a time. Every day what work is given, you complete that today. Don't put it in pending. The work which you are receiving, immediately complete that. If you will keep it every time, it will be a hectic one, you can't complete it. You can't do it. Understood students? Okay, and this is the homework. I hope you will all have understood this lesson, and we will meet our next video with a new lesson. Thank you, and be careful. If it is necessary, come out and don't frustrate your parents, don't navigate them, and also don't irritate them. Be cautious. As the situation, pandemic situation, when it's going to get stopped, we can't say that. But only we can do what we have to take precautions, and we should be very careful. Okay, be healthy, and also take very healthy food. Okay students, see you. Meet in our next class. Have a nice day.